So today we're going to be rereading our On Top of Spaghetti poem. So let's go ahead and get started. And make sure you pay special attention to the words that I have underlined with pink marker because we're going to come back to those later. Okay, let's get started. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. Achoo! Okay, so just like we do all the time with our poems, we're going to see if we can figure out some words that I've underlined in the poem. So we know all of the blue words already because those are our sight words. So we're good to go there, but let's take a look at this first word up here. If you know this word, go ahead and say it. If not, that's okay. Remember, if we don't know a particular word in a poem, we can go back to the beginning and read from the beginning until we get to that word, and then we should be able to say what that word is. So let's go back to the first word. On top of, this word is spaghetti. Awesome job. Okay, now let's go down here to this word. This word is covered, but if we didn't know that, we can easily go back to the beginning of the poem and read until we get there. On top of spaghetti, all covered. Awesome job. Now let's go down here to this pink word. If you know it, go ahead and say it. This word is lost, but remember, if we don't know, we can go back and read until we get there. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, this word is lost. Awesome job. Now let's go over here to this word. Go ahead and say it if you know it. And if you don't know it, let's go back to the beginning and read until we get to that word. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, I lost my poor, this word is meatball. Awesome job. Now let's go down here to this word. If you know it, go ahead and say it. This word is somebody. Awesome job. Let's go through and remember, if we don't know, we can always go back to the beginning and read until we get to this word. All right. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, I lost my poor meatball when somebody. Awesome job, everybody. Good job figuring out those words in the context of our poem.